a man as wonderful as my husband. I love you so much, and thank you for your family, the Magbantayan de Ari family, for welcoming me, for my family, sa ate ko, sa kuya ko, sa kapatid ko, sa tatay ko, and everyone here, my friends. I might be living, but my heart will stay here. And sa pamilya po ng asawa ko, rest assured that I will love him. Araw-araw po ng buhay ko, aalagaan ko po siya at hindi ko pababayaan. Lahat po ng mga uncle, auntie, gagawin po namin ito yung inspirasyon para po maging matibay po yung pagsasama namin. At sana po kayo magsawang magbigay ng payo sa amin kung darating man yung panahon na dadaan kayo sa problema mag-asawa. Maraming salamat po.
I just want to extend yung thank you po every time simula. So, the same, I want to thank everyone for being here tonight. Maraming salamat sa effort nyo sa pagdala sa amin sa special event ito. Also, I want to mention sa mga tao na behind the scene para sa event ito. So, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for making me so wonderful today. Where is my makeup artist? Where's Cedric? Thank you for making me so beautiful. Together with my soul loving best friend, Mr. Fundador Blaza. Thank you very much. And of course, our very hardworking wedding coordinator, even midnight, she's texting me just to make sure everything's gonna be perfect today. Thank you very much, Miss Hazel. Thank you very much.
It's great, and great photographer, thank you very much. And for the very delicious food that we had tonight. Yeah, yung sa event, isa yung sa rice cake, magic touch. At Cabernet Funny, Wacky Possible, 27A, Dream Come True, The Six, Don Robert Bridal Car, Ami Joel's Wingdings Invitations, Wingdings Professional Sounds and Lights, Asian Catering, The Glass Garden, and of course the host. Thank you. Also, before I finish, I just want to hope that everyone gets home safe tonight, lalo na yung mga kamag-anak ko nagtanong sa Laguna. Mag-iingat po kayo, and maraming salamat sa pagdalo. And sa mga pamilya ko naman na nag-uwian, I know you'll be going back to Australia very soon. So have a safe flight, and I'll see you guys down there with my beautiful wife. Baka mamaya, tapos na natin doon, meron na pala akong panguna. Baka kanta. So, thank you guys sa mga relatives ko, lahat. Sa lahat na ito. So thank you very much. Sa family ni SP, thanks again. Tatay, alam ko po kung buti lagi yung anak nyo. Gusto ko na let nyo lang na hindi na po siya pababayaan. Tutuparin ko po yung mga pangako ko sa inyo. Magagampalan ko po yung tungkulan bilang ama. O one day, hindi naman. But for now on, I want to assure you that I'm going to take care of her as a husband. So thank you guys again, and I hope everyone had a good night. And get home safe tonight, and thank you very much again. Thanks guys.
A big hand for our lovely couple, Husband and SP.